palm back home, 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate. Weight on the right. Section 1. Side left, touch right, right hand on top of heart, left hand on top. Side right, left coaster forward with sweep. Syncopated rock recover. 1 1/4 pencil turn. Half forward facing 6. Continue 3/4 turn, now facing 3. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 2. Side left, sway left. 2 quick sway right, left. Side right. Behind 1/8 diagonal, facing 430. Syncopated rock recover, run back, left, right. Half forward. Extend right arm forward. Palm facing down. Count section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 3. 1 1/5 turn. Half recover to right, palm facing up. 1 1/8 turn, big turn, facing 6. Side left. Behind quarter forward, facing 3. Slow pivot half turn. Step on right, rise up on ball. Half turn, step on left. Step on right. 7/8 turn, step left with kick. Run, run. Now facing 730. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4. Forward on right, sweep 1/8, scrap to 9. 3/4 diamond fall away. Cross, back, back. Behind, forward, side. Back, back. Now facing 12. Back left, half turn over left shoulder, step on right, and start again. Count section 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Start again, 1. At the end of wall 2, last 2 count, back left, half. You're going to touch right and repeat last 8 counts. Instead of sweep 1/8 turn, you're going to sweep quarter turn and 3/4 diamond fall away. Cross, back, back. Behind, forward, side. Back, back. Back, half turn. Step on right. And start wall 3. Side. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Touch. Repeat last 8 count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Start wall 3. 1.